Hey, it's Natasha. So today I'm going to do a huge Usborne haul for you. It is like $510 worth of Usborne books, but I only spent about $100 out of pocket. So I got some books with my daughter's educational funding that are for school. And then I had an Usborne party, and so I earned a ton of free books. I earned I think it was $230 in free books and then $150 in half price books. So I basically paid $75 plus tax and shipping. And I have school books here, I have Christmas books here, and I have Christmas gifts and stocking stuffers. So I'm going to show you everything I got. So first, I will show you the school books. So one school book I got was Here and There, and it's learn about people here, there, and everywhere. And I thought this would go perfect with our universal yums that we do for geography. And when I see good geography books like this, I pick them up. And so anyways, I've got this one, and then I've got also Now and Then, and it's learn about people now, then, and way back when. And so I thought these would be really good additions to our kind of geography study. Then I got this famous composers reference book. So we've been doing Memoria Press music enrichment, which we love. And so I thought this would be fun to add to it because it has pictures, which the Memoria Press enrichment does not have. And so I thought this would be a great addition to that. All right, so then I got, actually I'll show you this. I got the Usborne Illustrated Dictionary of Biology. My 14-year-old will be doing biology next year for 9th grade. And so I thought this would be handy to have with that. And then I got some reading books. So I got the Usborne Complete Shakespeare. My 14-year-old has been reading the Illustrated Stories Shakespeare, which she finished it already. It was a super quick read because it was super easy. But she actually really kind of fell in love with Shakespeare. And so I thought, okay, well, let's roll with that. So I got the Complete Shakespeare. And isn't this just gorgeous? It's so beautiful. Look at that. So I'm kind of glad she read the other one first, because then that really kind of opened her eyes to Shakespeare. So we got that. And then I got the Complete Jane Austen. And I've never read any Jane Austen, so I might read this first. But I got this for my 14-year-old also. And so these are just so pretty. And there are some pictures in it, so that's always nice. Okay, and then I got some illustrated originals. I got The Wizard of Oz, Black Beauty, Anne of Green Gables, and Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. So then some more kind of school, I guess, books, but I couldn't use educational funding for these. But I got them free. And so what I got was White Clean Starting Cursive. I got these free with my party. So I thought this would be good for my 8-year-old. And I guess I should be showing you inside these, huh? So that's pretty cool. I guess this is for a bedtime reading, but B is for bedtime. And I thought this was super cute. It goes through the alphabet. And so I thought this would be really great for my 4-year-old, so we can read it before bedtime, but also work on the alphabet. So I just thought that was super cute. These pages are like really thick laminated pages, I think you would say. So B is for bedtime. This is actually a Kane Miller book. I got a first book about the orchestra, and this one does make sounds. Let's see, how do I turn it on? Oh. Okay, so my fourth grader is in orchestra right now, and I know this is, you know, probably meant for younger kids, but let's see, does it say? I don't know, it doesn't say. But also with our Memoria Press music enrichment, we try to pick out the different instruments as we're listening, and I'm terrible at that. And so I honestly wanted to get this book partly for myself too, so I could learn the different instruments. But I thought this would just be really good for part of our bedtime reading and as adding to our Memoria Press music enrichment. So I got that, and then I got this Usborne Start to Cook, and I'll show you here. It's got like tabs there, and it has like fruits and vegetables, dairies and eggs, pasta and potatoes, meat and fish, rice and beans, bread and pastry, and cookies and cakes. And so has recipes here. Truth be told, I'm not a very good cook, but I can follow a recipe. And so my girls are starting to learn to cook, and so I thought this would be really great for all of us. So I got that, Start to Cook. Then I got Mind Your Manners, and this is a Kane Miller book too. And it's about like the animals and maybe they're not being so nice to each other. Anyway, so this will be added to our bedtime reading and also part of my kind of special needs curriculum plan that I've been kind of putting together. So adding that to that, and that video is not out yet, but you'll see it soon. And then I got this one, Usborne, I'm Not Very Afraid of the Dark. I have some kiddos who are afraid of the dark, and so I thought this would be really cool to read. And it's got, see, it's got like the cutouts. Can you see that? Yeah. So it's kind of cool. You know, he thinks there's all these monsters in his room, and it's really just all his stuff. So anyway, it has like the cutout stars and stuff, so super cool. Good night. And then I got this one, Paint Me a Picture, a colorful book of art inspiration. And it says, colors can make you feel different each day, so what will you paint in your picture today? So it's kind of like emotions and feelings and how the colors kind of relate to that. And so again, I thought this would go perfectly kind of with my special needs curriculum that I'm putting together with various things, and also a good art book. You know, we can do paintings and things, you know, based on each page. So we can do a red painting, and we can be, you know, talk about being courageous and brave and, you know, things like that. So anyway, I just thought this was going to be a really cool one. It's not glossy. It's very nice. Like, I like how this feels. So yeah, a colorful book of art inspiration to help explore feelings through the world of color. Okay, so those are all the school or bedtime reading books. And excuse the background. This is my declutter zone and office, and I'm making progress, but you know. Okay, so here's the Christmas books I got. I got each of the girls, I got a sticker book, each of the little girls. So Winter Wonderland sticker book. This is for my 9-year-old. And so it's got these scenes here. And it's got, you know, stickers and things. So anyways, got that one for her. I got this one for my 8-year-old, Little Sticky Dollar Dressing Christmas. Over 200 reusable stickers. So Meet Holly, a trip to the ballet. She's going to love that because she's in ballet. It's got all the little clothes. So she's going to love this. Got a fold out there. And then I got this one for my 4-year-old. A little stickers nativity play. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I just thought we could actually put on this play. Like, how cute would that be with my little girls? Maybe we'll do that. Okay. Then I got these magic painting Christmas cards. There's 8 of them, no, 10. So we'll just split them up between the girls and they'll paint them and then we'll send them off to family and friends. But it's where you paint with water. And then we also got the magic Christmas painting books. I got 3 of those. So the little girls each have one of their own, but they're actually using them right now. So, but I'll link it below if you're interested in those. But it's the same type of idea, just a book. I got the Twinkly Twinkly Christmas tree. Let's see, can you see? Oh, I guess I have to open it, don't I? Yep. So there's the lights, more and more on each page. I just thought my girls will love this. So I already have a Christmas unit study video that I will link above, but these are going to be added to that. We basically try to read a different picture book every night leading up to Christmas. I've also got the gingerbread man. We always make gingerbread houses every year. We invite friends over. And anyways, I just, I needed something cheap, so I could take full advantage of my free books. And so this was cheap, and so I thought it would kind of go well with that. And my 8-year-old can read this on her own. So that's for that. And then I got Usborne, my very first Christmas carols. I got this for my 4-year-old. It's so tiny. It's so cute. But we're doing IEW Singing Made Easy, but it's Christmas carols made easy. And so I thought she'd like to have her own little book of the Christmas carols. And so I just thought that was really cute and go along really well. And then I got Usborne Peaked Side, A Fairy Tale, The Nutcracker. I didn't realize how small this one was. I was thinking it was big. But it's the story of the Nutcracker, and it has those cutouts too. They're just, it's so cool, those cutouts. So my grandma used to always take me to the Nutcracker when I was a little girl, so I'm very, very fond of the Nutcracker. Okay, so that's all the Christmas books, and now some of the gifts and stocking stuffers. So I got this for my 9-year-old, and so I thought that was cool. And then along with that, I got this. You'll find everything you need to start designing clothes and accessories for the sticker dollies in this fabulous box. There are over 200 stickers, 25 sheets of pattern paper, 3 stencil sheets, over 100 rub-down transfers, a pink pen, a fine line black pen, and an inspiring book to create your own designs. So these are going to go together as a gift. I thought that would be perfect. And then I got this one for my 4-year-old as a gift, and then this one for my 4-year-old as a gift. She's super into crafting, and so I think she'll like this one. So that, and then I got this as a stocking stuffer for my 8-year-old, and I think I'm going to put a tube, you know, those tubes, T-O-O-B, of birds along with it in her stocking. And this is for my 4-year-old, same thing. I'm going to put a tube, T-O-O-B, of animals with it. And then I got little sticker dolly dressing ballerinas for my 8-year-old stocking, because again, she's in ballet and she's just gonna love this. And then for my 8-year-old as a gift, she's super into birds lately. She opens her window and just bird watches. So I thought this was a really unique book. I'm not going to lift the flaps, but there's flaps to lift. So I thought that was cool. And then I got these as a stocking stuffer for my 4-year-old. And they're wiped clean, comes with a pen. And then I got these for my 8 and 9-year-old. So I got them each one of these and each one of these. And so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to have your own Usborne party and get all these free and half price books, I mean, what a steal. I'm going to link down below where you can contact Valley Haven Homeschool. She's here on YouTube, and Her name's Louise, and you can set up an Usborne party with her. She's a consultant, and she's the one who did my party, and she did so great and helped me out so much. So anyway, I'll leave her information below if you want to contact her to have your own party to earn free and half-price books. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to see more homeschool curriculum reviews, monthly homeschool updates, hauls, and more. You can also find me on Instagram to see our day-to-day homeschool life. Find me on Facebook at Educational Roots and join my homeschooling group. I'd love to connect more with you.